Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com and hat trick break number 77 of 2005-06 SP Authentic. The search for the Future Watch autos in the double rookie class. First of all, I'm going to show the list. Here we go. Good Hammond, Sean, Thresh, Jim, Bob Thresh, Brian, Dan, Crow, Brian Thresh Hammond, and Dan with the Habs. Terry with the Preds. Aaron got her Devils. Dwayne snagged the Isles. Tinham, new bidder, welcome. Got the Rangers. Brian, Tinham got the Flyers. Brian, Hammond, Terry, Tinham, Dan, Thresh, and Aaron snagged the Jets at the last minute. Or the Thrashers as they were in 05-06. So before we crack into this box, our new bonus, we have a viewer's choice bonus. So you guys get to choose two players. And remember, these players should be back in 05-06. Somebody that you think is going to pop up in the base cards in this box. And there are a schwack of base cards. So there's a good chance to be opening some free packs. So I'm going to give the go-ahead, and the first two names I see are the players we're going to look for to open bonus packs. So go. I see Alfredson and I see Crosby. I'm just going to note those down. There we go. So yeah, yell at me if I miss those guys. There's 24 packs that are 99% base in these things, other than the 4 to 5 hits. So I go through them pretty quick, but just yell at me if I miss them. And our buy 5 get 1 free bonus. We had one 5+ winner, and that is Thresh44. So Thresh, you're going to get a free team in our next customer appreciation break. That is number 10. Going to happen. It's about half full already. So we just did a rookie anthology and had a couple nice hits. I think you actually got one of them. So stay tuned for that. We'll send an email for everybody that's in that. And other than that, let's show this serial and get rolling here. Serial number is 021107770. All right. So all of our typical bonuses are in play. Hat trick, Hall of Fame, Lotto 643, all that kind of stuff. Streaking, 9 bonuses in total. Mega off the post we'll give away later. Legendary luck is in play as usual. Just need to grab my knife. Where it is. Use scissors. Good luck. Double rookie class. There's about 20 good rookies in this for Future Watch autos, and there's a minimum of 1 per box. So chances are we'll get something decent. Hopefully we get something epic like a Crosby. This doesn't work very well. A Crosby or an Ovi or one of the Hawks rookies of that year. There's a load of them. This stuff is tough to find, and I have 1 box left. I think I'm going to save it. Save it for a while. We cleaned out the supplier a little while back of this stuff just because it's a pretty cool product to have. So anyway, without further ado, pack 1. And we're looking for Alfredson and Crosby, the Cavalier, Ziggy, Dimitra, Mr. Hockey, and Solani. Here we go. Oh, thought that was Albertson. Havlat. Turco. Wayne Gretzky. Gagne. Gerber. And stay tuned for trivia as always. Get some nice cards to give away at the end. Everybody's eligible, even if you're not in this break. Just got to be online listening. Primo, Pekka, Yashin, Chichu, and Richards. Burke, Luongo, Rodor, Nabokov, and Korea. I like my new camera angle. It's so much easier. It was all backwards before. Had to reroute some wires, but much better. Giunta, Sundin, Brian Leach, Dougie Waite, and Fedorov. Not the product to buy one pack of in a card shop. Because it's about 20 base packs and 4 hits. Iggy, Hasek, Forsberg, Naslund, and Kovalchuk. The chat is kind of far from you guys. I can't really see what you're saying. Vaguely can make it out. Ryder, Yoganin. Oh, here's our future watch. Future watch. Oh, a Hawk. Oh, that's not the auto. Regular future watch. 185 of 1999. Martin St. Pierre going to the Hawks. And the Hawks are Thresh. So there's hit number 1 and a DiPietro and a Hayduk. Mark that hit. Yeah, guys, anything you need, chances are I might miss it in the chat because it goes by real quick. Just send us an email. PJ just posted the email address. If you saw something you wanted, I can certainly pick it out for you. Cujo, Tumarutu, Drury, Wade Redden, Joe Sakic. Man, it's got to be. Alfredson usually comes up left and right. Shanny, Robert Esch, Glenn Murray, Nova Scotian, Tange, and Chris Pronger. Come on, Crosby. There. Bertuzzi, Ryan Smith. Oh, future watch. Oh, it looked blue. Who do we have? Tampa Bay. Oh, not the auto. Not bad, though. Paul Ranger. At least we heard of this guy. That's going to Thresh, I believe. See Tampa Bay? No, that's Tinham. There you go, Tinham. Hit for you. Raycroft and Zetterberg. Since you're in this for the first time, anytime you get 3 hits in any of our breaks, you get a free team in the next break. We call it our hat trick bonus. And some products, like Rookie Anthology, has to be authentic, it's really easy to get a hat trick. So remember that when those ones are up. Reki, Kolzig, Daze, Koivu, Eddie Belfour. Samsonov, Straka. Oh, here we go. Future watch. Oh, that looked like an Obi signature. Let's see. Here's our Future Watch auto, guys. Oh, yeah! Yeah, baby! How do you like that one? Ovechkin! Boom! Future Watch. 195 and 999. Any non-believers of this product just got proven wrong. That's worth hundreds of dollars in cash, probably $250 minimum cash value, $400 book value. Really, really tough to find these cards, and that goes to Thresh. Congrats, man. Well worth your money you paid for this break, that's for sure. I'll chuck that guy in a one-touch for you. Bocoon! Niedermeyer. Wow, awesome. I thought that was an Ovi auto when I could see it from the bottom. Now we just need the Crosby. Man, that'd be sweet. Spezza! Robitaille! Jackman! Jason Allison, and Jaromir Jagr. Kachuk, Frolov, Shane Doan, Lupul, and Eliash. The card looks mint too. Don't see any dings or scrapes or anything on it. Lettinen, Eric Stahl, Kipper, Modano, Hossa. Abiture, Mario, Satan, Rick Nash, and Danny Heatley. Schomburg, Luongo. Oh, wow, another auto. Nice. Jamie Lundmark, Sign of the Times. Going to the Yotes. Good old Sign of the Times. And the Yotes. Brian. W8, Fedorov. Giunta, Sundin, Forsberg, Naslin, Kovalchuk. Brian Leach, Iggy, Hasek, DiPietro, and Hey Duke. Seriously. Come on, LB. Crosby. Zygmunt Palffy, Lindros, Marlowe, Roblake, Joe Thornton. Marty Biron, Scott Gomez, Bill Guerin, St. Louis, and Ribeiro. Alfredson, yeah, Alfredson. Rear, Stajan, Rollerson, Heavy Boolin. Let's open some packs for him. We got some non-rush open at the moment. Let's open a bunch of these. I'm waiting for one of those cards to pop up. Veras, Sedin, Whitney, Vinny, Callahan, Ryan, Broder, Koivu, Kane, Weiss. No good. Ganage, Kane, Lupul, Gonchar, Johnson. Rated rookie, Taylor Hall. That's a good one. Going to the Oilers and Crow. Taylor Hall. Rookie card. Lundqvist, Jared, Erickson, Ovi. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad. Datsuk, Theodore, Bergeron, Morrison, Stevie Y. The last pack, folks. Then bonus time. Parrish, Gabrick, Brodeur, Nabokov, and Korea. All right. Get this Ovi out of here. We don't hurt him. So first off, I want to give a couple free cards to our new bidder, Tinam82. So welcome to our breaks. We always give a couple cards. You're a Habs fan. I'm a Leafs fan, so my Habs collection is very slim. I try to keep it at 0, but I had a couple cards, so this is what you will get. You got a Gianta Gold from Elite, and you have a Calamari Fended Fabrics from SB Game Used. Thanks for joining our breaks. Hope to see you in the future. All right. Next up, Going Streaking. So our Going Streaking bonus is if you get 10 teams, or 10, you buy into 10 breaks in a row, you get a free team in the next break. And I decided I'm going to change this bonus up a little bit starting next week. The prize is going to be different than a free team in the next break. It's going to be better than that. I'll just tell you that. All your current streaks stand, of course, and I'll announce it on Friday in our break then, what it's going to be. Okay? So I'll give you an update on that. First off, our current streaks are at Aaron at 6, Terry 5, Bob 4, Brian 4, and Dwayne at 3. So a couple of people getting pretty close. Next up, Legendary Luck. So Legendary Luck, we drop our pick a board up to 4 times, depending on which cup you select. And try to get it in these ends. So you guys call the number, and that's where I will drop the puck. So first of all, you're going to call a number 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how many times underneath the cup is how many drops we'll do. Go! I see Crow saying 3 before I said go. Now I see Terry saying 3. So 3 it is. Nice job. 4. So just to show you what cards we got up there, we have on the left side, we have a Shanny Benchmark with a pretty sweet looking stick piece in there from Dominion. Shanahan. And on the right, we have the SB Game Used Gold Curry Auto. All right. So, call your numbers now. $28, I see. 28 it is. Oh, my wire doesn't reach, but here we go. 28. Close. Oh, 1 off. Sorry, I can't move it any closer, but it's right here in the Kings. All right, next, go. Last thing I see is Dan saying 0. Dan saying 3. Here we go with 3. That is in the Jets. Okay, 2 strikes. 1 more. Go. 28. 28 it is. For the Curry. Oh, it's going quick. Oh, veered off. Last chance for today. After Crow's 28. Where do you want to go? 3. Dropping down 3. Close, but no legend today. And I have a real good one coming up after one of these guys goes, so keep an eye out for that. All right, next up, we have Mega Off the Post Championship. So how this works is we give away 16 slots for Pack Wars. Winner take all. 2 full boxes of hits goes to the winner. And you can't have more than 1 slot. So 12 slots are given away already, so this is happening soon. Tonight is slot 13. The people that aren't eligible are the teams that got hits and the following that already have slots. Dwayne, Aaron, Brian, Terry, Jack, Alwyn, Baldna Nook, Brad, Pen Gauges, Ruben, Linda, and Matt. So I'm going to pull from Mr. Frankenstein. Kings. Kings are Thresh. And Thresh is not on that list. So it sure is a lucky night for you. You're going into the Pack Wars there, Thresh. Congratulations. You have slot 13. 3 to go, and we bust 2 boxes. All right. Time for trivia. We have some pretty good cards today for trivia. Some autos. And I even have a History of Hockey slab card to give away for the final card. So card number 1 is a Geo. Nice hard auto, NHL Inc. Mark Giordano. That's number 1. The question for Geo is, what number was Paul Coffey drafted in the 1980 entry draft? What number overall pick was he? Nope, not 3, not 5. Nope. Not 65. Not first. Not 77, not 8. You guys are close. 4, 7. Nope. 2, no. 6 is right. Dan snags it. Giordano, going to you, Dan. All right. Next card, we have a Rundblad NHL Inc. Hard auto. There you go. Question 4, Mr. Rundblad Auto, is name one other player that was inducted into the Hockey Hall of Fame with Adam Oates. There are 3 other players. And it happened very recently. Sakic is correct. All right. Aragorn Ginny. Congratulations. And unless you're already a member that we've shipped to before, I'm not sure I have your address. So, PJ, if you can post our email and if you can send us an email, I'll shoot you that card. All right, card number 3. It's a pretty sweet auto. From SP Authentic. Steve Mason, hard auto. And for this, we have a Name That Player. And I actually have a new system for Name That Player. You guys are ready? Our new system is me actually showing you the player on the screen instead of moving my cam. So, get ready. Here we go. Name that player. This one's easy. The haircut should be all to tell you who this is. Matt. Cliff Ronning is right. Made it too easy. Yeah, he does kind of have a Brett Hall haircut, eh? So Cliff Ronning. Matt, you're going to get that Steve Mason. All right. And for a grand prize and the final Name That Player, we have a Mark Stahl. Oh, shoot. I'm going to flick back or you can't see it, can you? There we go. We have a Mark Stahl from History of Hockey slabbed card. So it's his rookie card. They slabbed them to prove that they're authentic rookies. And his rookie gems from Black Diamond. Pretty sweet. 2007-8 Black Diamond. Going to the Name That Player. Winner of number 4. So get ready. Here we go. There is your player. Name that player for the Stahl. Dan. Nice, Dan. Grattan. Chris Grattan. Not to be confused with Josh Grattan, who also played in the NHL. Dan snagged that one. Just got ahead of Tinham. Alright, guys. Congrats, Dan, and big congrats to Thresh on the Ovechkin Future Watch Auto. Huge hit. And it's highly likely you're actually going to get a full refund for that team, the Capitals, because this will probably be voted in the 643 Hall of Fame. We need to get a day or two to do the voting, but chances are it's a pretty awesome hit. I can't see why it wouldn't be, but we have to put it through the admin guys on the site to be voted on, and if it goes in the Hall of Fame, we'll refund you your money for the Caps. Alrighty? Cool. Well, stay tuned for a hat trick break on Friday night, and then we'll be back again next week. All right. Thanks, guys, and good night.